The unspoken crisis after 60, why your eyes and memory are starving every single night. Stop what you're doing and lean in close, because I'm about to reveal the single critical decline almost no one is talking about after 60, and it's likely costing you your sharpest memories and clearest vision every single night. I'm not talking about a disease or some rare abstract condition. I'm talking about those small, frustrating moments that feel like your life is subtly slipping away. The 10 minutes you spend waiting for your morning vision to finally clear, the sudden blank feeling when you walk into a room, or the eye-searing screen fatigue that makes reading unbearable after just 5 minutes. These aren't simply signs of aging, they are the symptoms of a profound nutritional imbalance that is actively robbing your brain and eyes of their essential nighttime repair cycle. What if I told you that a stunning, independently verified fact shows that over 92% of adults over 65 are deficient in at least one vital nutrient needed for the crucial brain and eye reconstruction that occurs while they sleep, not during the day? That means right now, as you watch this, your body is being starved of the precise building blocks it needs to rebuild your memory circuits and refresh those tired, dry eyes. You are losing ground every 24 hours, and the critical window to reverse this decline is shrinking. This information is a genuine lifeline, and if you click away now, you risk missing the simplest, most powerful, and 100% natural solution I have ever shared with my patients. I am Dr. James Porter, and if you care about living sharper, longer, and stronger after 60, I encourage you to subscribe. Because today, we are going to stop the decline with the power of 4 natural drinks that science now shows can literally recharge your brain and restore your vision while you sleep. Forget expensive supplements and difficult regimens. We are talking about real, simple food, blended the right way and taken at the right time. The effect is simple, but the results I have seen are nothing short of powerful. Patients moving from debilitating memory lapses and screen fatigue to waking up refreshed, seeing clearly, and remembering more, all by adding the right juice to their daily routine. Now, let me walk you through exactly what is happening inside your body and what these 4 powerful juices are capable of doing for you. The Golden Recharge. Why carrot juice is the secret to waking up clear-eyed. When people over 60 ask me to name one natural juice they constantly overlook, the answer is always, without hesitation, carrot juice. This is a mistake because science proves that carrot juice is one of the few natural drinks that directly and simultaneously nourishes both your retina and your prefrontal cortex, the vital centers of memory and focus in the brain. The mechanism is rooted in its incredible concentration of beta-carotene, which your body efficiently converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is absolutely essential for maintaining the health of your retina, specifically the delicate photoreceptor cells that allow you to see clearly in low light conditions. Without adequate vitamin A, these cells struggle to regenerate, leading to night blindness, chronic blurry vision, and the dry, irritated eyes so common in older adults. However, the benefits extend far beyond that. Carrot juice is also a phenomenal source of the powerful carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are proven to protect the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp, detailed central vision. These compounds do more than just prevent further damage. They actively help the eye recover from the accumulated oxidative stress caused by years of screen exposure and harsh UV light. But let's talk about the mind. Carrots are also rich in phelcarinol, a natural plant compound that has been shown in research to protect neuronal membranes and reduce damaging inflammation in brain tissue. Perhaps the most compelling data comes from a 2021 study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, which found that the daily consumption of beta-carotene-rich juice significantly improved working memory and cognitive recall in seniors over 65, particularly those with early signs of cognitive decline. For example, participants who simply drank 250 milliliters of carrot juice every morning for just 8 weeks showed a remarkable 13% improvement in visual recall tests compared to the control group. This is not a trivial statistic. A 13% improvement can literally be the difference between forgetting your neighbor's name in the moment and easily remembering where you left your keys. And here is the real secret that makes this juice highly effective. Unlike many other juices, carrot juice is fat-soluble, which means your body can absorb its key vision and brain-supporting nutrients best when you pair it with a healthy fat, even just a teaspoon of olive oil or a small handful of walnuts. If you decide to make carrot juice part of your health routine, I recommend making it fresh in the morning, using 2 to 3 medium carrots, peeled and juiced, and drinking it with breakfast. When you give your body this kind of fuel, your eyes wake up, your mind sharpens, and your entire day begins to feel fundamentally different. The deep red flow, unlocking brain fog with beet juice. Let's be honest, most people over 60 rarely think about blood flow when they are struggling with memory loss or blurry vision, but they absolutely should. The reality is that without strong, steady circulation, your brain and eyes are starved of the very element they depend on to survive and repair themselves: oxygen. And this is precisely where the deep, earthy power of beet juice comes in. Beets are an incredible natural source of dietary nitrates. When you consume beet juice, these nitrates are naturally converted into nitric oxide, an essential molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and dramatically widen, a process called vasodilation. This is a game changer because as your blood vessels expand, more oxygen-rich blood can freely reach your brain and retina, delivering the critical fuel these organs need to perform their daily functions and repair themselves, especially during rest. A key clinical study published in the Nitric Oxide Journal in 2020 confirmed that adults over 60 who incorporated beet juice into their daily diet showed significantly improved cerebral blood flow, particularly in the frontal lobe, the area of the brain responsible for attention, decision-making, and short-term memory. That research further demonstrated that after just 4 weeks, participants had noticeably faster reaction times and measurably better focus during complex cognitive tests. Furthermore, when it comes to your eyes, nitric oxide plays a vital protective role by supporting the intricate vascular network of the retina, which can help prevent the microvascular damage that often contributes to age-related macular degeneration. What is truly compelling about beet juice is the sheer speed of its action. Unlike many fat-soluble compounds that require hours to absorb, the production of nitric oxide from beet juice begins within just 30 minutes of drinking it. That means sharper focus, improved blood flow, and potentially clearer vision can occur within the same day. If you've been feeling mentally sluggish, or if your eyes feel chronically dull or strained by the afternoon, this powerful natural boost is precisely what your body might be craving. I recommend drinking it in the afternoon, between 2 and 4 p.m., which is exactly when most people experience that classic drop in energy and mental clarity. Just 1 glass a day can ensure your brain and eyes get the oxygen-rich blood they desperately need. The purple protector, blueberry juice, and the promise of cellular rebuilding. Some foods simply offer protection against further damage, but others possess the profound ability to actually help rebuild what time and age have begun to take away. Blueberry juice falls squarely into the latter category and does both. Blueberries are recognized as one of the richest natural sources of anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that do far more than just fight inflammation. They are scientifically proven to stimulate neurogenesis, which is the incredible process of helping your body create new brain cells. This is not mere speculation. A landmark study published in the Journals of Gerontology, Series A in 2020, showed that seniors who routinely consumed wild blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks experienced major improvements in memory recall, processing speed, and neural activation visible on MRI scans. Researchers attributed these powerful effects to anthocyanins' unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, effectively reducing oxidative stress in the hippocampus, the brain's primary memory center, and enhancing the critical protein known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which helps brain cells survive and grow. In the eyes, blueberry juice plays an equally powerful role. The anthocyanins protect the retinal ganglion cells, which are the crucial cellular cables responsible for transmitting sharp visual signals from the eye directly to the brain. In fact, research from Molecular Vision in 2019 confirmed that the regular intake of blueberry compounds helped preserve retinal structure in aging test subjects, even when the eyes were under oxidative damage. This is why blueberry juice is so effective. It doesn't just slow the inevitable decline. It actively supports cell regeneration in the very systems that keep you thinking clearly and seeing sharply. I often share the story of my patient, Helen, age 74, who was frustrated because reading was becoming a chore. The words would blur and her brain felt slower. She started drinking blueberry juice every evening, and within a few weeks, she was back to her challenging crossword puzzles, sharp, focused, and smiling. If you want to try this regenerative power, I recommend blending 1 cup of fresh or frozen wild blueberries with a little water and drinking it in the evening, approximately 90 minutes before going to bed. This timing is essential, as it is exactly when your brain begins its nightly repair cycle, allowing these potent nutrients to go straight to work on cell regeneration and protection while you sleep. The humble elixir, spinach juice for daily focus and vision repair. Do not underestimate the humble green leaf. Spinach is one of the most underrated brain and eye foods in the entire world, and when you juice it, you unlock its full therapeutic potential. Like carrots, spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, but in exceptionally high concentrations. These two carotenoids are literally stored in the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. As we age, the protective levels of these pigments naturally decline, leaving the macula vulnerable to the oxidative stress, UV damage, and chronic inflammation that are the primary root causes of blurry vision and macular degeneration. But spinach juice offers far more than just a shield. It supports functional repair. A study published in Nutrients in 2020 found that higher blood concentrations of lutein and zeaxanthin from leafy greens were directly associated with improved contrast sensitivity and faster visual processing speed, especially in older adults. Put simply, you not only see clearer, but your brain processes what you see faster. Furthermore, spinach is loaded with folate, a B vitamin critical for the production of neurotransmitters, the brain's essential mood and motivation chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. Crucially, folate helps regulate homocysteine, a compound that, in high amounts, is toxic to brain cells and is strongly linked to cognitive decline. In 2018, a randomized trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that when folate levels were restored through diet in older adults, their cognitive function measurably improved. Spinach also provides vitamin K, which is essential for supporting the integrity of brain cell membranes, and plays a role in myelin formation, the protective sheath that allows signals to travel faster between neurons. The power of spinach juice lies in its synergistic profile, a perfect balance of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential vitamins that work together to protect, nourish, and even help reactivate pathways that have gone dormant with age. I recommend using 1 large handful of raw spinach and combining it with a green apple or half a cucumber to mellow out the flavor. Juice it fresh and drink it mid-morning or before lunch when your body can best absorb its nutrients without interference from heavy meals. The gentle daily protocol, building momentum for lasting clarity. Now that you know the profound science behind the 4 most powerful rejuvenating juices, let me show you how to organize them into a simple, gentle, and highly effective daily routine. A plan that works with your body's natural rhythm, not against it. Your eyes and brain perform the most vital and complex repair work while you sleep, but they also go through peaks of activity that need support throughout the day. Therefore, timing is everything. Start your day with carrot juice. Drink it in the morning, shortly after waking up. This provides your retina with the essential vitamin A and carotenoids it needs to reset and focus for the day ahead. In the late morning or with lunch, drink spinach juice. The folate, vitamin K, and lutein support both neurotransmitter balance and macular repair, absorbing best when your stomach has had a chance to wake up. In the early afternoon, usually between 2 and 4 p.m., that is your window for beet juice. This is when your energy tends to dip and circulation naturally slows. One small glass can instantly restore mental sharpness and dramatically improve blood flow right when your brain needs it most. Finally, in the evening, about 90 minutes before bed, drink blueberry juice. This timing helps activate the potent antioxidant pathways in your brain, boosts BDNF, and protects your retinal nerves while you are in the deep stages of sleep. Remember, you do not need to drink all 4 juices every single day. You can easily rotate them. 2 juices a day is plenty, or you can focus intensely on one for a full week before switching. What truly matters is consistency, not perfection. These juices are not intended to be magic pills. They are natural, gentle tools that over time restore the small, vital systems inside you that modern life wears down. The fragile blood vessels in your retina, the communication lines between your brain cells, and the memory circuits dulled by stress, inflammation, and simply time. You may not feel a difference on day 1, but stay with it, because true healing doesn't happen in a single night. It happens when you decide to support your body every single day, little by little, restoring the momentum your health needs. A final word of hope: it's never too late to heal. If you have made it to this point in the video, let me tell you something important. You are not here just to passively watch another health tip. You are here because you believe, or at least you profoundly hope, that it is not too late. You hope that your eyes can still see clearly, that your memory can still return, and that your body even now can still heal. And you are absolutely right. I have spent decades walking alongside older adults, some in their 60s, others well into their 80s, who truly thought they had lost too much ground to ever recover. Too many missed names, too many blurred lines, too many moments of feeling like the vibrant world was slipping away. Yet, I have personally witnessed how the smallest, most consistent daily choices can completely turn everything around. A glass of nutrient-rich carrot juice in the morning, a dose of blood-boosting beet juice in the afternoon to wake the brain, deep purple blueberry juice before bed to help your neurons rest and rebuild, and vibrant spinach juice to feed your focus and your eyes during the day. It's not a miracle cure, but it is momentum. And momentum is often all your body needs. A little help, given consistently and with care. The truth is, your brain and your vision have not given up on you. They are simply waiting for you to give them what they desperately need. And that powerful journey begins with what you choose to pour into your glass.